Hi everyone, I'm Holly from Hand Printed, and a few of you have been asking recently about how to clean up our Caligo Safewash relief printing inks. Now these are inks that we use all the time. You can see this one is well loved in our studio, and they're made by Cranfield, and they are a relief printing ink, so that means it's for block printing, like lino and woodcut, things like that. And the Caligo inks are safe wash, which means they're oil based, and you get all the benefits for an ink being oil based. That means that the ink will stay open longer on the slab, which means it won't dry really quickly on your roller on your slab, and you have the lovely finish of an oil-based ink. But you don't have to use any solvents or any special cleaners in order to clean off your plate. We had a few questions about how to clean it, especially if you're printing at home, you don't want to get into a massive mess. So just going to do a quick demo to show you how we clean it up. So now I've got a square of the ink rolled out on my plate and I've got it on my roller. All I've got here is a jug of cold soapy water. So I've just got washing up liquid in here. I'm just going to squeeze a little bit of soap onto my ink. And wipe it up using an old rag. I'm going to use a dry rag just to dry the surface. And I've got a clean plate and reasonably clean hands. For your roller, if you've still got quite a bit of ink on your roller, what I sometimes like to do is roll it on a piece of scrap paper to get rid of the excess ink. Or sometimes I will take off the excess ink on the slab, wipe that up as before, and then use a soapy rag just to clean the ink off the roller. And there we go. For your plates, you can clean the ink off in exactly the same way. Just use a slightly damp soapy rag to clean your plate. If you're using a traditional Hessian backed lino, you don't want to get this too wet because it can warp and bend and cause problems for you later. So make sure you only get the top surface of it wet. Sometimes the white ink can be a little bit more stubborn, in which case I might use washing up liquid straight out of the bottle, squirt a little bit on the plate, and then use a sort of stronger soapy mixture. You'll find these inks as well as loads of others on our website, as well as our blog, where you'll find lots of tips and tricks. We're always around for answering your questions as well. Happy printing!